everyone, welcome to Heart Set Design. Today we are going to learn how to edit a photo in Canva. And so we're going to create a Giorgio Armani 1996 fall campaign inspired Instagram story post. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our background. I always think it's great to start with your background, so then you don't have to really mess with the position buttons. You don't really have to mess with the layers because you're starting with layer 1. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go and type in White Studio background. Pick one that you like. I mean, obviously you can, click see all and things like that. But I actually liked one of the first ones I saw. We're going to drag and adjust. And now we're going to actually edit the photo. So what we're going to focus on with editing the background is simply the filter. And so we want to pick a black and white filter because, we're trying to go for the Giorgio Armani aesthetic. So the black and white filter category is called mono, and I picked slate. Now we need to pick the person or the women that we're going to put on top of it. And so I typed in photo of a woman, but I actually ended up picking this photo of 2 women because I thought it would be cute. For, maybe if you want to do a little bit of lifestyle content, you and, your family, if you're a personal brand, if you're a soulpreneur, or if you're in retail, there's so many different ways you could use this aesthetic in a creative manner. But so I picked these 2 women. I'm actually going to have to obviously lose a lot of the photo because it needs to be bigger. So if I were you, I would pick a photo that fits, in the middle per se, maybe losing a lot less photo, but this is just for teaching purposes. So right now we're going to remove the background. So we click edit photo, we click background remover. Now, if we had a photo where we needed to really get into the nitty gritty and remove more of the background, we would just use this paintbrush tool. And when you click on it, obviously it erases more of your background. So let's reset our background and just click background remover. And now the background's removed. Now we're going to go back down to our filters, right? The filter just changes the aesthetic of the photo, of the total photo. We're going to click slate. You can adjust the intensity. We want to keep it at full intensity. Now we're going to go to effects. There's obviously 4 different options, but we're going to go with blur. And we want to take that intensity down to barely any, is what I call it, 3, barely any. And then we're going to go to the adjust. So with the adjust controls, you can obviously auto adjust the photo, and it will auto adjust the color and things of that nature. You can select an area, whole image, foreground, background. We want the whole image. We're not using white balance today, but we are using the light, and we're going to increase the contrast to make it darker. Since the Giorgio Armani aesthetic was very saturated, we're going to increase, saturated with black. We're going to increase the highlights just a bit. About 10. Well, 9's fine. We're actually going to decrease the shadow to make it darker. We're going to increase the white. And we're going to increase the black. Just to make her hair darker. And so now we want to add some texture to the photo because if we go back, this texture was very grainy. I'm not sure if it was because of the editing or the type of camera. Probably because of the type of camera. But we're going to see if we can add some grain or some texture. I don't think you can do that in Canva. I'm not sure. I need to do some more research. But I know we're going to make it a little sharper. I don't think it did too much. Maybe a little grain. Let me zoom in. Possibly a little grain. It's not really looking like it did too much. I do want to say a disclaimer. There may take some adjustment time, maybe a couple seconds, up to 30 seconds for when you apply the adjust controls to when it actually applies on screen. So if you feel like you moved something and it didn't apply yet on your screen, don't be alarmed. Just give it a few seconds. So we're actually going to take down the clarity a little bit more. Or do we want to adjust the clarity? No, adjusting the clarity, really, we don't want to adjust the clarity. We're actually going to take it down. Take it down a little bit to smooth it out. And I don't think we need to mess with anything else. That looks good. We're working with what we have, you know? And now we just need to add our words. So we're going to go to text. And we're going to put the word sisterhood right here. We're going to make it white. We're going to pick a text style that's close to the Giorgio Armani words. I thought the Noto Serif Display was pretty close. And we're going to make it bigger. Oops, don't know what just happened. Okay, we're going to make it bigger. Let's make it a little bit more bigger. More bigger is not a word. Let's make it even bigger. And actually, let's make it smaller. And let's add a text effect. Let's lift it. And I feel like we need to make this bigger. I know we're going to lose more, but hey, that's just the cost of the photo I picked. And maybe make it a little bit bigger. Is the lift all the way up? Yes, as up as it can be. Okay, maybe let's take the people in the back down just a smidge. No, don't need that. We need them up. Okay. I think that's as good as we're going to get it right now. I think if you pick someone who has a darker shirt, maybe with a black outfit on, I think it really will hit spot on. But there you have it. Let's go check our photo. And let's check our inspiration. Well, actually, we have those the other way around. So let's check our inspiration. And let's check our photo. So again, there you have it, guys. And we will definitely get more into the photo editing terms, what it does and what it doesn't do. But right now, this is just for creativity. So happy creating.